Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate,
Break.
the next generation.
Next generation.
How are you? How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm well.
Well. You're well.
Well. And I'd like to bring attention to the COVID. We've missed talking about the COVID and your impending doom, and it has to stop. This is the first episode of the second season of
The Chocolate Break.
The Chocolate Break. And the first season was over 80 episodes.
Was it?
Yeah. And we went on hiatus to eat the berries and cut fruit and do things you just wouldn't understand. They just wouldn't understand.
Probably not.
They wouldn't. But hopefully they'll understand chocolate. And I ask you, she who is my wife, to bring forth the chocolate that you desire.
That is what I desire.
You desire raspberry rosé Dove chocolate?
This is what I desire.
Excellent.
At least I think I desire. We'll find out when we taste it.
Indeed. That smells of rose.
It's like raspberry.
I smell the rose.
Now I smell the rose. Smell the roses.
Stop. And smell the roses. I missed that. Oh, God. Oh. Scintillating. Dark on one side, light on the other. Cheers.
Cheers.
What do you think?
It's weird.
At first it tastes kind of like white chocolate, and then it feels like I'm gargling with like some kind of like hotel soap.
I was gonna go with like some kind of fragrance you spray after you poo.
Some Glade.
Some Glade.
Glade, yeah. 0 for me. Lower?
0. Not off to a good start.
No. It's called Sugarnerven. That's what I'm gonna call it. Sugarschnurben, Sneeben, Snobben. I know the last one came from the U.S., but can you reconnoiter where this one's from? Is it Dutch, Belgian? Yeah.
Oh, no. Made in Germany.
German chocolate. Perhaps the German Chancellor herself has had the chocolate.
Maybe.
So, do what must be done. Angela. You always do that and make a mess, so I'm beating it to the punch.
What are you talking about?
You always do that with a wrapper. And you always don't talk loud enough for the microphone.
I don't make a mess.
Oh, would you like to try the
No.
Scherbenhuben?
No.
It's Trilogy Noisettes.
It even says German quality on the front of the box.
I'm legally blind. Come on. I saw Schürgen. And then I see Noisettes. What does that mean? noisettes. Is that like somebody's daughter, Noisette? Sounds like our daughter.
Mimi Noisette. Mimi Noisette Levish.
Little Princess Noisetta. There's Noisetta. Why do you make the noise? Why, thank you. Got a little starburst on there. Cheers.
Cheers. Hazelnut.
It's funny because the last one had a little bit of a crispy element in it. And this one does too. Yeah.
I didn't get that with the last one. I get it with this one.
Yeah. I'm almost getting like a tiny little hint of lemon in there too. That's what I got at first.
I just get hazelnut.
I get both. It's not bad. Oh wait, Trilogy noisettes. I wonder if that means there's 3 different flavors.
And that's what it shows in the picture.
Does it?
3 different layers.
I'm gonna guess each row has a different flavor.
No, each one of these is 3 different layers. Look at the picture. 1, 2, 3. Looks like a dark milk and a white. Oh, or maybe a milk and a hazelnut and a white. Oh yeah, that's right. A milk, a white, and a hazelnut.
Well, this one tastes the same as the last one, though.
It's all in one cube.
I think I like it. Reminds me of dancing on a small box covered in tree sap. I'm going to give that a 3.5.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
All right. Well, I think I like this one, and the other one was horrible. It was like
I think we can agree on that, given that we gave this one a 3 and the other one a 0.
remember we had the lens wipes that were rose scented.
That was horrible. That was a horrible mistake that I made.
Rose scented lens wipes.
That's another one of those, like, you don't read the entire description of what you're buying, and then you're like, oh, that's a great deal, and then you get it, and you're like, oh, that's why it was a great deal.
That was
because I didn't read the whole thing. And then just had to throw them away, because there was no way. Rose-scented lens wipes.
Oh, you used them and then everything's reeked.
I used one.
It reeked like purse.
My
Bad
purse doesn't smell like rose.
No, but I think my mom's did. It smelled like something. No, it smelled like purse. Or like, sometimes you'll get like cash money that'll smell like have that strong rose scent to it, or some kind of perfume, like it'll have been something that was just like dumped some kind of perfume on it or something. I've gotten weird stinky money before.
Probably came from a hooker.
Possibly. All right. Have a good one.
Bye.